This is just a little hook tool with a little curve on it. There is a little gap right here in the back end. Just go ahead and get your tool back there. And then just put pressure pulling off that plate. 10 mil screw. Let's see 21. Let's see if 21 can get it out. If 21 can get it out. That's good. There's not Loctite on there, but there is, I think, a lighter version of Loctite. Same thing here. Now this is out, we can just pull up and over, and the panel will come up off there. Now it does give you a little bit more wiggle room on the front end. It doesn't look like it's giving on the back end, so just wouldn't pull it. And you're gonna go ahead. Getting that lip up and over. It's a little difficult if it's wet, I'm noticing. There we go. Up and over. Just if you dry it, get a grip on it. If you dry it, you can get a grip on it, and then that way it's a little bit better. But just pops right in. Now I use power tools because I can control the torque on these, but when you're putting them back in, make sure you just go nice and slow so you don't cross thread them. I mean, you can even get them started by hand, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to cross thread it, and then it's an issue. Nice and tight, but not too tight.